Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Bybit account. So in order to close your Bybit account, you first need to launch your Bybit mobile application. Now over here you need to tap on the profile icon that would be in the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, select the security option, and here in the security you just have to simply scroll down and tap on the account settings option. Now in the account settings you will be able to see deactivate an account option, so you just have to simply tap on it and then you will be redirected on the deactivation page of Bybit. Now over here it will show you the consequences of deactivating your account, which includes you won't be able to log into your account again, you will be unable to initiate any trades including API and NFTs, all of your existing orders will be cancelled, you will not be able to make the withdrawals and so on. So you just have to read the repercussions over here associated with the deactivation of your Bybit account. Now once you are certain that you want to delete your Bybit account, you just have to check the boxes, and here you just have to simply tap on the deactivate this account option. After that you will be landed on the next page where you might be asked to provide the reason of the deactivation of your account. So you just have to select the reason and proceed with the deactivation of your account, and this way you will be able to easily delete your account permanently. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video, comments if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.